Good morning, dear students. In the last class, we discussed about the axioms and also we learnt about the 7 axioms in the last class. Now, whose axioms is that? It is Euclid's, in the Euclid geometry. So next we'll going to study about postulates, that is Euclid's postulates. In the Euclid geometry, we have Euclid 5 postulates. So let's see one by one. So in that first postulate of Euclid is this one, postulate number 1. So that is, a straight line may be drawn from one point to any other point. So what do you mean by this? They're telling that we can draw a straight line from one point to another, any other point. Suppose here there is one point, and somewhere here one point, somewhere here one point, somewhere here one point. So now how can you draw the straight line? So you can draw the straight line by joining any 2 points. See here, for example, from this point we'll name this. We suppose this is a point A, this is point B, this is C, this is D, this is E. So no need to go in order. So you can, if you want, you can join the point from A to E. So this is also straight line. Okay, and from C to D you can also draw the straight line, or C to B you can draw the straight line, from B to E you can draw a straight line. So you can these are all straight line. So here it's from C to D you can draw a straight line, from A to D you can draw a straight line. Okay, so from A to B you can draw a straight line. So like this, from any 2 points we can draw a straight line, from E to E you can draw a straight line. So you can draw a straight line from any point to the any other point. So this is the first postulate. A straight line may be drawn from any one point to any other point. Note that this postulate tells us that at least one straight line passes through two different point, but does not say that there cannot be more than one such line. However, in this work, Euclid has frequently assumed, without mentioning, that there is a unique line joining two distinct points. We state this result in the form of axioms as follows. We can state this as axiom as follows. Given two distinct points, so there is a unique line that passes through them. So this is simple. So they given two distinct is nothing but different. So suppose they given you two different points. Okay, so from these two different points you can draw only one straight line. Are you able to draw more than one straight line from these two lines? No. So if you have two lines, sorry 2 points, from the 2 points you can draw only one line, that unique line, that only they given here. Given two distinct points, there is a unique line that passes through them. Okay, so in the classwork you write that Euclid's postulates are, whatever there in the box you write it. Okay, so Euclid's postulates are, so write this one, Euclid's 5 postulates, they are, so write this first postulate. Okay, whatever there in the box you write it, red color box. So now this one. Okay, write this too. So further I'll tell you some more. Okay, some other postulates. However, all of you understand the first postulate is very easy. A straight line may be drawn from any one point to any other point. Okay, the axiom way you can tell like this. Given two distinct points, there is only one unique line that passes through them. Okay, just you learn this. These are Euclid first postulates. Okay, so Euclid first postulate, a straight line may be drawn from any one point to any other point. Okay, so here they gave some examples. So how many line that passes through a P? So P is a 1 point and Q is a 1 point. Okay, so only one, that is the line that passes through, how many lines through Q passes through P? So only one. So that is a line PQ. That's a statement above self-evident. So it's taken as a axiom. Okay. Okay, now a second postulate. A terminate line can be produced indefinitely. So what do you mean by this? A terminating line, I mean a stopped line, can be produced indefinitely. Okay, suppose here, look into this example. Suppose your AB is a line. Suppose your AB is a line. Here AB is a line. Okay, from this AB line we can produce it indefinitely to any of the side. To the from the B also we can produce this indefinitely, mean, and from A also you can produce indefinitely. That is a second postulate. A terminating line can be produced indefinitely, in the sense you can extend this indefinitely to any length. Okay, that is the second postulate. Note that what we call a line segment nowadays is what the Euclid's called a terminating line. So now we're telling this is a line segment, but in the previous year, in the term Euclid's time, it is telling this line segment as terminated line. Okay, so according to the present day terms, second postulate says that a line segment can be extended on either side from the line. So you can extend this line from AB either from the left hand side or right hand side. You can extend indefinitely. For example, here I'll take one more line. So there's a one more line I'll take here. So from this line, so what I'm going to do, I'll extend this. I'll extend this line indefinitely. See here? So I'll extend this line now. So yeah, it's moving till where it reach, I don't know. Let's keep on reaching. Okay, and here also I'm extending this. The red color I join with the blue line. So you can extend this indefinitely. So this is the second postulates of Euclid. Okay, a terminated line can be produced indefinitely. Okay, so here it is the line. Okay, so next, uh, so your next postulate, third postulate, a circle can be drawn with any center and any radius. So circle can be drawn with any center and any radius. We know that to draw a circle we need say radius and the what is that radius in the center. Okay, now suppose here I'll take this point. This is the center. This is the center for me. So if I want the radius of 2 centimeter approximately. So but here we're not able to take exact 2 centimeters. So here we have one point. Here we have one point. So and here also here we have one point. Here we have one point like this. We have so many points. I'll take the here one point. I think 3 is enough. Okay. So now what I'm going to do, so here for the radius of 1 centimeter I will draw the circle. For the radius of 1 centimeter I'll draw the circle. For the radius of 2 centimeter I'll draw the circle. For radius of 0.25 centimeter, not 25, 0.25, 0.25 in the sense 1 centimeter, in the 1 centimeter we divide into 4 parts, then it becomes 0.25. So that is so now we need to draw the circle. So this is a center. My radius is, here is a 1 centimeter radius. Okay, this is a 1 centimeter radius, and here this is 2 centimeter radius. Okay, and this is my 0.25 centimeter radius. Okay, are you able to see? Okay, so now I'll go to draw the circle using these points. Okay, wait, I'll use a compass to draw the circle. Okay, no protractor here, so you can take the circle only. So like this you can draw the, where is the center? See here, this is a circle, and here also, see here, this is a circle, and here also, see here, I draw the circles. Okay, so you can draw a circle, with any center and with any radius. Even if you want to draw the bigger circle you can draw, even the smaller circle than 0.25 centimeter also you can draw, like 0.1 centimeter, like that also you can draw. Okay, so this is Euclid's third postulate. So next postulate, fourth postulate. So your fourth postulate of Euclid, that is all right angles are equal to one another. So telling here all right angles, not triangles, right angles. All right angles are equal to one another, isn't? Yes, we'll check it. We'll see that. I'll take this shape of this line. Okay, see here, this is the one right angle, a straight line. When two straight line meet perpendicularly, it forms a straight line. So, it forms a right angle. So this is a one right angle I have here. L shape. Here one right angle I have here. A small right angle. Okay, so now all these are right angles. There is right angle 1, there is right angle 2, and this is right angle 3. All these are right angles. Is this all are same in shape or all are same? We'll check it. So we'll press the protractor. So does it measures 90 degree? Yes. And here, does it measures 90 degree? Yes. And here, does it measures 90 degree? Yes. So all these are measures 90 degree. So therefore Euclid's fourth postulate also true. That is all right angles are equal to one another. Okay. So next we'll go for the next postulate, fifth postulate. Okay, here we have Euclid fifth postulate. We have Euclid fifth postulate, that is, if a straight line falling on two straight lines, if a straight line falling on two straight lines makes the interior angles on the same side of it taken together less than two right angles, then the two straight lines, if produced indefinitely, meet on that side on which the sum of the angles is less than two right angles. You understood? I hope no one understood this. Okay, I'll give an example, then you're going to understand. Okay, here for examples, here they gave two straight lines. So this is one straight line. Are you able to see this straight line? So this AB is a one straight line. Okay, and here CD is a one straight line. Okay, on this AB and CD, see here, one transversal, this PQ line is there. So here AB is one straight line and CD is one straight line. It is not parallel, two straight lines. So this is parallel lines. So parallel lines in the sense, so it should be like this. Okay, like this or like this. It's a parallel line, like 11. Okay, so but here this is not a straight line. So this is sorry, this is not a parallel line, this is straight lines. So two straight lines, this is one straight line and this is one straight line. Okay, it's not parallel lines, straight lines. So then what happens when one straight line fall on the two lines? Okay, for then what happen? So it forms an interior angle. Can you see here? It forms an interior angles. Here interior angles. So if we add this, just look into this, if we add this two interior angle on this side which measures greater than 180 degree, doesn't? And if you measure this two sides, the angle 1 and angle 2, what they given, name this angle 3 and angle 4, angle 1 and angle 2, if you measure this, what happens? So angle 1 and angle 2, if you measure, it measures less than 180 degree. Here obviously in all the straight line it will like that only, like that only. See here, I'll take one more straight line. So here this one straight line and here this one straight line. Okay, here this one straight line. So for on this straight line, what I am going to do, I'll draw one more straight line like this. So see here, how much? So here totally we have four angles, right? So this one angle and this one angle and this one angle. Okay, so here this one angle. So here the sum of these two angle measures greater than 180 degree. See here, this 3 and angle 4 measures greater than 180 degree, and here 1 and angle 2 which measures less than 180 degree. So what I am going to do, I'll try to extend these lines. So what happens? Try to extend these lines. So if I extend this line, at some point it will meet. See here, it is meeting at this point. Can you see? It is meeting at this point. But if we extend this point, this side which measures greater than 180 degree, I'll try to extend this, it will never meet. See here, it will never meet. Can you see this? Yes, can you see? It will never meet. So that is the fifth postulate statement. Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay. I hope all of you understood. This is the Euclid's fifth postulate. Now in the classwork, you need to write this. So Euclid first you write Euclid's five postulates are. So write this one, whatever in the box. That uh, so write this Euclid's postulate 1, okay, and write this axiom 5.1. So then write this postulate 2, okay, postulate 2, and write this postulate 3 in the classwork, and also write this postulate 4, and write this postulate 5, and draw this diagram also. Okay, and even here also, for this also you can write this one, write this example. Okay, uh, okay, I think it's enough. And okay, here also you write this also, this diagram also. Okay, I hope all of you understood. Okay, then we'll see in the next class. This is the things you should do in your classwork. You should write in your classwork. So all this 5 Euclid's postulates. Okay, we'll see in next class. Thank you.